Hey fellow viewers, it's Butterfly David back with the video, and today I also made my intro video, and today I'm going to be doing how to do the basic twirl, and I'm pretty new to Butterfly, like Battle Song, Butterfly tutorial, and I just wanted to do a tutorial on the basic twirl. So I have a butterfly Battle Song, I'm gonna call it butterfly comb, because safer, it's a good trainer, and it can be used for a comb. I look like a grizzly bear with my hair. Hashtag gotta sleep and comb hair for life. Okay, get to the tutorial. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to hold it like this, and you're gonna want to flip, like open, flip. But you're gonna want to have your finger about there, so when you're ready you can flip it and then have your finger there, and then just do that, like flip, and then go like that, and flip back, and then go like this, and then take that, and then whoops, it's kind of hard to do it slow, and then just flip it forward. You got it like that, and you can do it fast. You can go like, I think I did the wrong thing there. Okay, flip, flip, flip. Yeah, so like this again, flip, have your finger there, flip back, whoops, have your finger there, and then flip, flip. Wait, what would it be? I'm kind of confused. Could you do it? Yeah, okay. So you'd go like that, get it, flip back again, then flip back. Then you got this. I think that's how you do it. Yeah. So, I know this tutorial was kind of bad. I'm new to this stuff, and I have shorts on. Looks like I don't have pants on. They're short though. Yeah. Just wanted to let you guys know that I do have pants on. So, just letting you know. But I'm learning other tricks like the helix, other things, and stay tuned for more videos, tutorials, and tips and that stuff. So like, subscribe, and comment what you want my next video to be. So do all those things, and peace out. And don't forget to, I already said that, bye-bye. I'm clicking the wrong button. I just took like 5 pictures. Whoops. Bye.